Game time, boys. It's game time. Alright, so he goes to Crobat. He brings all the threats that we were scared of. Every single threat that we were scared of, he brought. So, let's go. He didn't bring Kyurem. Kyurem wasn't a threat. Because I still don't think Kyurem was a threat. So I'm gonna go with the lead that I kind of had planned, which is something like this. Yeah. Something like this. We'll go with this for game one. We'll go like this for game one. So we go Cinderace, Butterfree, right? And we're actually Scarf, so we can Sleep Powder before any of his Pokemon get to move, except for Meowstic because of Prankster. Something I should have picked up for this game was fucking Sand Slash, or Sand Slash. Sand Slash honestly would help so much in this. He goes Crobat Urshifu. I'm fine with this. I am fine with this. I'm gonna Sleep Powder this Crobat and Airstream this Urshifu. I'm gonna Sleep Powder and Airstream. He may just Wicked Blow and he may just be Sash Urshifu, but I don't care much if he is. Oh, he withdraws Urshifu. What does he go into? Because this is just free damage. Free damage on Celesteela? Okay. Maybe use Weakness Policy? But I'm curious what this Jolteon is. Or what it's gonna do. Maybe he's gonna... I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, so I'll get the Sleep Powder off before this Crobat. Guaranteed. Unless he's Scarf. Or unless I ginned incorrectly. Okay, we get the Sleep Powder off. 97% sleep. So we're just going to sleep everything that game one, and we're going to be a little dick. Sleeping every single Pokemon. Surprise face, next YouTube video tonight. I'm actually gonna go Xerneas here. Because, like, why not? I'm just gonna Geomancy up. I'm just gonna Geomancy up. Okay. I may kill this, because that... I may kill it. I think I may kill this through Protect. Or right next to killing it through Protect. Fuck, right next to killing it through Protect. And Crobat wakes up turn 1 and gets a Tailwind. Nope, it goes for Taunts. Still into the problematic Pokemon. Being, like, that we didn't want it to be into that. But I'm gonna... Oh, I have... I'm gonna Airstream and Thunderbolt the Crobat. I think Airstream should kill. But if it doesn't, then we have Thunderbolt. Yeah, so we get our Airstream off. Yeah, okay, so he's Sash Urshifu most likely then. Maybe we should have just Moonblasted, because it, like, any Pokemon's gonna die after the Airstream, and no matter if it was Sash or... And maybe we shouldn't have shown Thunderbolt early. Wait, Wakan, okay. Wakan Berry, that's why we Thunderbolted, so that we could see Wakan Berry. Perfect. Wakan Berry Celesteela. Perfect to see that now. Alright, that's our Dynamax. He now has Urshifu and Duraludon. Okay. Cinderace. I'm gonna double attack the Duraludon here. Because Duraludon's a threat. He Dynamax is probably the Duraludon. He probably has to go for Sucker Punch, and Sucker Punch only kills if he's banded, I believe. I'll calculate this real quick. Urshifu, yeah. Choice band, yeah, no. Sucker Punch doesn't even kill unless he's... No, Sucker Punch never kills. Not even banded adamant. Sucker Punch kills. High Jump Kick. Cool. Oh, that did way too much to Duraludon. That's not a bulky Duraludon. Weakness Policy. Perfect. Perfect to see Weakness Policy. This is a dead Duraludon, and that's GG, because Urshifu can't win. Let's go. That's game 1. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, so he goes for Wicked Blow, because Sucker Punch never kills. Now we get to see if he Sash. Doesn't even kill Cinderace. Definitely not. Definitely not thing. I'm not gonna let it die. It shall not die. Cinderace shall not die. Oh, he went for Wicked Blow again. Fuck. I should have gotten other Pokemon. Oh, he's not even... Wait. He's not Sash Urshifu. He's not Sash Urshifu or Crobat, so he's Sash... Is he Sash Jolteon then? I don't know. I don't know what he is. I'm curious. I'm curious. Very curious. Yeah, we'll take his lead card. I'm curious though, wait, what is, if he's Weakness Policy, what is he, he's not safe, this is an interesting team building. I think he could have done a little bit more for team building. What if I go to the same thing? If I go to the same thing, it's fine. For everything but a Meowstic lead that is fake out. He has Taunt on Crobat. Probably Safety Ball goes Crobat then, is what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'll go with this lead. I'll go with this same lead. Okay, so here's a Meowstic, Crobat. So here, I'm actually gonna go for Airstream and Pollen Puff into Meowstic. I'm gonna Airstream, Pollen Puff, Meowstic. He cannot both get a Tailwind up and... Wait, I should have gone for it because he can't get a Tailwind and a Taunt. I should have gone for a bit different play here, I think. Because he has to go for Fake Out or T-Wave onto Butterfree. And then Tailwind. If he goes for Taunt, then it's over. If he goes for Tailwind, it's not over, but it is. Whatever. Okay, so he goes for the Fake Out. Butterfree. Crobat goes for Tailwind. Yeah, that's the correct play, I think. I do think that's the correct play. Now we Airstream. This kills, as we saw. Now, what does he do? What does he do? What does he do? What does he do? So, because he faked out, I actually am not locked into Pollen Puff anymore. I can Rage Powder. So if he goes Urshifu, I can Rage Powder it. And does +1... Does it? Maybe. Jaeger! What's good? Okay, so he goes Jolteon now. Goes Jolteon. Do I just Pyro Ball it? And Rage Powder? I just Pyro Ball and Rage Powder. Why'd people happy? How is you? I'm doing good. How is you? Yeah. I can lock into Rage Powder now. because I got faked out. So now he's max lightning into my Butterfree. I'm assuming max lightning. You're fine? Glad to hear. Glad to hear. Right now we're 1-0 versus Peter. So he does go to the Gigantamax Jolteon. Probably a Life Orb too. Honestly though. Or Safety Goggles. Safety Goggles could be cool. He goes for Reflect. That's fair. Reflect is fair. Yeah, so he goes for the Max Lightning. Not Safety Goggles or just attacked Butterfree. Either one. I don't think you attack Butterfree because you could just avoid my Sleep Powder if I... Yeah, so... Most likely not Safety Goggles. So he has Life Orb, yeah. Cool. Fireball comes out. And now is where I go Xerneas, I think. I think I go Xerneas here. I think I go Xerneas. The other players go Bisharp. If you go Bisharp, how much does it do to Jolteon through? Jolteon through Reflect. Dynamax. Against a Bisharp that's Adamant. Sucker Punch is doing 17 to 20%. That is not enough. I need to go Xerneas. Does Xerneas live? I don't have my Xerneas in here. How many turns of Tailwind? 2. So a Geomancy here and then a Protect next turn, I guess. Is what it would be. He goes for the T-Wave. He misses T-Wave on Cinderace. Sorry. He goes for Lightning into Xerneas. He kills Xerneas. He needed that T-Wave para. Probably, most likely. But now it's just over. I think. Maybe I should have Airstreamed there, but I don't think I should have. He does have one more turn of Tailwind, though. He does have one more turn of Tailwind. He may pull this. He may win this. Tailwind. Well, no. Because he goes Urshifu, right? I bounce, and I Iron Head the Urshifu. If Iron Head's a 2-hit KO, I win. If it's not, then I lose. Bisharp. No, I lose anyways, because he can close combat Sucker Punch. I lose anyways, right? Yeah. I think I lose. How did I lose? Yeah. No, he can't Sucker Punch. What am I saying? He can't. So if Iron Head's a 2-hit KO, I win. If it's not, I lose. If Iron Head's not a 2-hit KO, I lose. Which I can just calc right now. Oh, he goes for the T-Wave. It doesn't affect Bisharp. Goes for his Wicked Blow. Urshifu. He fucking crit, man. What the fuck? Iron Head's not a 2-hit KO because he still has Reflect Up, doesn't he? That's not even close to a 2-hit KO. Yeah, so he still has Reflect Up. That's why. Yeah, so now he just Sucker Punch wins. Cool, he won. Well, what do we do differently? What do we do differently? Wait, is he banned? He's banded, isn't he? It's still a 2-hit KO, even banded. Fucking hell. Even banded is a 2-hit KO. I need him to not click the right move. Yeah, no, he clicks Wicked Blow and it's a GG. Alright, game 3. 1-on-1. Okay. What do I need to do differently? What do I need to adjust? What do I need to adjust? That's what I need to always be asking myself right now. is what do I need to adjust? I just go... What do I adjust? What do I adjust? What if I go the same thing, and how do I adjust if I go the same thing? Okay, so he locked in quickly. He probably is going with the same Pokemon. I want to see something. Max Lightning does not kill Cinderace even in electric terrain, and that's not even bulky Cinderace. Okay. This is our best bet. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Game 3, right now. Let's go. Right now. Jolteon Meowstic. I don't think he should have gone this, because he can't get Reflect Up or Light Screen or whatever and Max Lightning. Or he can't without, like, he knows I'm Scarf, so he should know that I outspeed his Jolteon, so he should in turn know that, like, he can't just, he has to fake out Butterfree. Has to. And if he fakes out Butterfree, then he doesn't get Reflect Up. So if he doesn't get Reflect Up, then Jolteon dies. So the only way this goes well for him is if he calls my Rage Powder, not my Sleep Powder. Wait, why would I ever Rage Powder here and not just Sleep Powder? Sleep Powder is just free in this scenario. But he goes for the fake up. And his Jolteon then goes for Lightning. Into my Cinderace. But Cinderace lives. Cinderace lives well. Lots of HP. And now this Jolteon dies. And now that's over. Because I think he misplayed. It could be up for interpretation, but I think this was not the correct play in this scenario. Because that's dead. Yeah. He needed the Reflect Up, but he can't get Reflect and stop Sleep Powder. We are 1-1, and we just killed his Dynamax turn 1. 1-1, and we killed his Dynamax turn 1. So. Because he basically was pinned, and I think he forgot that he needed to Reflect Up. So. Also, this Crobat can just go to sleep. You want to sleep, Crobat? Do you want to sleep? I want you to sleep. Go sleep. Go to sleep, Crobat. Unless he T-Waves my Butterfree, but if he T-Waves my Butterfree, then he can't be T-Waving my Cinderace. So he's pinned, once again. It's all about pins, just like chess, you know? You know, Pokemon is just like chess, but honestly, in some ways more complicated, and in some ways less complicated. There's a lot less branches. Well, no, there's even more, because there's a lot. We went Scarf Butterfree. We went Scarf Butterfree. I changed it up. We went Scarf Butterfree. Wait, he didn't go for sleep. What did this Meowstic go for? What did this Meowstic go for? Wait, what? What did... Fake out, T-Wave, Reflect, Fake out T-Wave Reflect. I don't know. That Airstream crit I don't think mattered. And if it did, I don't care. Foul play? Okay. Okay, dude. It didn't. It's a fucking Meowstic. I think, okay, let's see this. You know, I'm gonna calc it. I'm gonna calc it for him. Did I go for Sleep Powder? I did go for Sleep Powder, so I just effectively just swap out my Pokemon. I just swapped it out. I mean, it's over. He can forfeit, I think. I think it's over. Meowstic. If he goes 252, bold. Airstream does not kill if he went 252 bold. Meowstic. Unfortunately. But what do you would so then he goes foul play, but like I don't know. GG's. Yeah, so I went with Adamant Cinderace, and that's why I think the Fireball kills Jolteon. Wait, I don't even know why. Oh, no, because he doesn't have this much bulk. What the fuck? Who runs that much bulk on a Jolteon? So it's a 75% to kill. Alright, no bulk. Let's go. GG's. Did we get Taunt Zolt content? No. No, we did not get Taunt Zolt. We did not bring Taunt Zolt. We went with Sash. It's in the back. Yeah. GG's. That was a well-played game. Well played. Even through a bad matchup, you played very great. So, let's go.